Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change notification setting in the Boo dating application. First of all, launch open the Boo application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into the home page of Boo, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu buttons at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings at the bottom. Under Settings, select Notifications. You'll then be able to see multiple notification options such as your activity notifications, likes notifications, comments, daily push notifications, and other notifications. Go ahead and customize the notification. If you want to turn off notification for a specific activity, you can go ahead and toggle off the button right next to them. For example, if you don't want to be notified for love matches, you can disable the button right next to it. You can also turn off notifications for daily push. Go to the daily push option at the bottom, and then if you want to turn off the daily fax notification, toggle off the button right next to it. Similarly, you can go ahead and turn off any notifications you don't want to receive. You can go ahead and turn off all the notifications if you don't want to receive any notifications whatsoever. But you can do this from your device's settings menu as well. If you want to keep some of the notifications on while others turned off, then simply select that specific notification and turn it on by simply tapping on the switch button. So it's all in your hands what kind of notifications you want to receive in the app and what kind of notifications you want to turn off. So that's how it's simply done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.